Hey guys and gals, I am Miss Vincent. I am going to be working with you during this course. This is a world geography course, so if you do not have me on your schedule for world geography, I need you to shoot me an email and let me know. I just wanted to take a few minutes, go through your Canvas page, make sure you understand what to do, where to go. So here's your Canvas page. This is World Geography. You can see World Geography Vincent right here at the top of it. I've pinned announcements up here at the top. So please make sure that you are reading through your announcements. One of them is the pacing guide. Make sure you are only completing the assignments on the pacing guide. Do not do anything extra. Just make sure you complete and submit those assignments. Those assignments are due by Fridays of every week. Now, you can work ahead if you would like to. However, you have to submit those assignments that are needed for the current week by Friday. Also, it says the first one right here, do I need to complete assignments from week 1 and week 2? The answer is yes, you do. You don't have to worry about completing them all right now. As long as you have them completed by September 8th, then you'll be fine. So just a little bit of welcome. If you scroll down, welcome to World Geography. A little bit about me. It gives you my email address right here. And then you can go down. It's got our instructional schedule. Because I am teaching also in the middle school level, you can see I'm sitting in my classroom right now. I have two virtual classes in the middle school level and 3 face-to-face classes. So I am going to do all of my instructional videos, and I'm going to post them on the video page. You can click here to find those instructional videos. The easiest way to reach me is through email. I have put instructions here. Make sure if you email me, you always include your first and last name. Make sure you include what class you're in as well, and a detailed message. I need to know. Don't just say, hey, Miss Vincent, the assignment won't upload. I need to know which assignment it is, what you were talking about. I do have tutoring available. Tutoring is going to be Tuesdays from 3:15 to 4:15. I'm available on Fridays as well, but you just need to get in touch with me. Say, hey, Miss Vincent, I need help on this. We can set up an appointment. Tutoring is going to be through Big Blue Button on Canvas, so you have access to that already. And then your pacing guide that I talked about before, you can click here for it. Make sure you click that. I would print it out. I would keep it beside me. It does have a checklist on it of what you need to do each week. As you complete that assignment, I would check it off so that you know it is completed. The very next section, it says that you need to use the navigation tabs on the left when on your main page. You need to go to the modules tab. That is where all of your assignments will be, is on the module tab. I'm going to click on this computer and get it up here too while we're looking. So all your assignments are on a module tab. And so here's modules. If you look here, it has module 1, module 2, 3, and so on. There are more assignments in this module than you have on your pacing guide. Again, make sure you are only doing what's on the pacing guide. When you get to the quiz, you want to make sure that you go through everything you need to go through. You read everything that you need to read before you take the quiz. The quiz, once you take it, once you submit it, that's it. There's no retakes on the quizzes. So if you submit it, or if you try to take it first and then you fail it without doing the prior work for that, then I'm sorry, you're going to end up with that grade. But like I said, all assignments are located here in the modules. You can click on syllabus to pull up your syllabus. You can see the grading policy. You can see course expectations here. It says, please make sure you have an external hard drive. Keep a copy of all your classwork in case something is lost. Your pacing guide, you can click here for as well. This is just another place to find it. I'm going to pull up your pacing guide it's going to pop up on Word. It will download, pop up on Word. So here's your World Geography pacing guide. So for this first unit, you should have completed our Earth quiz, the climate quiz, settlement free response, natural resource quiz. Those are all your grades from Unit 1. This is Unit 3, or Week 3. You were starting my course on 8/17, so you need to complete the introduction to Human Geography, Module 2 test, North American Physical Geography quiz, North American Human Geography quiz. That's all you have to do for this week. And then if you have some free time, you can go back and you can work on some of these assignments from 8/3 and the week of 8/3 and 8/10. Click off of that. You can also click on announcements to find the announcements that are pinned to the top of the page. So if they ever disappear, they will be under the announcements page. And I am going to have to schedule your conferences so you can get access to the big blue button on the left. Again, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at this email address right here. I am good about getting back with you. I will get back with you as soon as I possibly can. I can't wait to work with you, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.